Hey legends, welcome back to the channel. Today I've been hands-on with the Husqvarna 525 IHE3 pole hedger. This is one of Husqvarna's commercial grade pole hedgers, and let me tell you, this thing absolutely delivers. So if you're a pro gardener, landscaper, or even a keen DIY wanting a solid, reliable, quiet, battery powered hedger with solid run time, this one's worth a look. This is a commercial grade battery pole hedger, and it really shows in both build and performance. As you can see here, I'm running it off the new B220X batteries, giving it solid run time and really nice balance, ergonomics and weight. Taking a look at the blade, we've got a 60cm blade with a high 4,400 cuts per minute, double-sided blade, cuts beautifully. All metal gear housing, and you've got grease nipples on this one too, so you don't have to take it apart to apply the grease, which is heaps better, just here. Very sturdy, strong mechanism for adjusting the angles. 135 degrees, I think. With a total reach of just under 4 meters, it's perfect for taller hedges or those thicker hedges that you need to extend out to reach. Weighing just under 4.8 kilos without a battery, it's easy to use, even when you've got it fully extended like that. Well balanced, great ergonomics. And of course, it's built with the quality you'd expect from a Husqvarna commercial product. Straight out of the box, it feels well balanced. The weight distribution is excellent, especially with the smaller batteries. No top heaviness like you get with some of the other pole tools. And once you start cutting, you immediately notice how quiet it is. Perfect for early morning jobs in residential areas where noise can be a concern sometimes. And the cut quality, well, it's beautiful. Fast blade speed means less snagging and a super clean finish, even on dense or woody hedges. It's also super convenient. No cords, no fuel, just pop the battery in and you're off. And you get no vibration fatigue, even after using it for several hours of continuous cutting. So who's it for? Well, this tool is ideal for professional landscapers and gardeners, but also anyone serious about quality equipment. If you're moving away from petrol and want something reliable, powerful, and low maintenance, this is a top tier option for you. So the biggest pros for me for this tool is quiet and well balanced, lightweight and powerful, beautiful cutting performance, professional build quality, no fumes, no noise, no hassle. Downsides, I haven't really come across any just yet. I guess the only small negative I would say is that it does use battery power. It does eat through the batteries a bit quicker than the previous generation hedges. So if you're doing a longer, thicker, denser hedge, you're probably going to want to chuck a 300 in there, the larger batteries. Even with the bigger battery in, it still weights it nicely. It doesn't feel unbalanced at all like some can with the bigger battery in. So bear that in mind. It's not really a con, but it does use a bit more power and does eat through the batteries a little bit quicker. So I guess that's a small trade-off or compromise with power and run time, as it does use a bit more battery. But you get a few batteries and you're good to go. Running through the controls here, we've got your on and off switch there, battery indicator, and then the speed indicator. You change your speeds with this one here, 1, 2, 3. Then you've got a very simple push forward, which as you're grabbing it, it just sort of works, no problem. Sort of push it forward and down, and then you can pull the trigger in and off she goes. Very easy, straightforward design. Works well with gloves. Easy to see everything on there. It's great. No way to improve it really. Battery just slides in the back here like all the other ones, all the other tools, and just clips into place. This is the new B220X battery. Great bit of kit, looks good in here. With a noise level of around 89 decibels at the operator's ear, it's quiet enough for early morning work, and you don't have to wear ear protection, although I would recommend it, of course. The articulating head adjusts smoothly and locks in securely. It cuts through various hedge types effortlessly, from viburnum to lily-pillies and everything in between. And using the BLI 200 battery, I achieved close to, I'd say probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours of trimming. So some of the things I like about it is obviously extended reach eliminates the need for ladders in some situations, which is great. Any time spent off a ladder is always beneficial. It's got the adjustable cutting angles, which reduces body strain. Quiet operation, suitable for residential areas and early morning operations. It's got robust build quality with commercial grade performance. Some of the cons, I guess, full extension, it can be tiring over prolonged use, but that's the same with any tool, to be honest with you. It's not a Husqvarna specific. any pole hedger over long use will knacker you out and tire your shoulders and arms. It's probably not really ideal for intricate, delicate shaping tasks, but generally you're probably not going to be using a 3.5 meter pole hedger for that sort of stuff anyway. Another small con, I guess you would call it, is it doesn't come with the tip protector. As standard, you have to buy that separately, which for a tool that's this expensive, I would have preferred it to come with a tip protector like the smaller hedgers do. Some people prefer them without the tip protectors, and I do find it tends to cut slightly, ever so slightly better in some situations without a tip protector because it doesn't get caught. However, I much prefer having it to protect the blades when you're up against walls or you're cutting lower to the ground and all those kind of scenarios where you're close to something hard and you need to just get in there without worrying about the front of the blade bouncing and damaging either the wall or the blades itself. So I think having the tip protector on there definitely outweighs not having it on there. So I wish it came with that, but you can buy one, they're not expensive. But yeah, just thought I'd be transparent about that. So this is ideal for professionals, councils, or homeowners with tall hedges. If you're already using Husqvarna's battery tools, it's a seamless addition. Highly recommended for efficient ladder-free hedge maintenance. Other things worth mentioning is its IPX4 weatherproofing, 3-speed settings on the controller here, and its fully integrated connectivity to Husqvarna's Fleet Services app, which allows you to monitor usage, when it needs servicing, where it's been, how long it's been running for, and all that good stuff, which as a business owner, it's important to know. Massive thanks to Husqvarna for providing me with this 525 IHE3 to review and create some content on. As always, super appreciate it. So that's my take on the Husqvarna 525 IHE3. Quiet, powerful, beautifully engineered, and just easy to work with. So let me know in the comments if you've used this one or you're thinking about making the switch to battery powered tools. Be interested to hear your thoughts on the machine. So if you like this video, you might also enjoy that one. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.